Okay, guys. Hello, good afternoon, good morning, good evening. I greet you according to the time you are hearing my voice and wherever you are hearing me from. Okay, this is your friend this here. I want to teach you a very powerful recipe today that I've never taught you guys before. A recipe that is at least I would say this is one of the biggest recipe I will ever do for you guys because this can actually grant you everything. Anything you wish for, this can actually give it to you. You want money, do this and that thing must come to pass. No matter how big that is, within 3 months the result must be felt. Okay, that is how this particular one work. If you need money, you have court case, somebody have forgotten you, you want that person to remember you, somebody just be stubborn towards you, or you need that dream job, or you want to get married and the husband is not forthcoming or the wife is not forthcoming. So this is what you are going to do, right? You are going to get clothes. This is clothes, right? You are going to get your clothes. You are going to get back of onions. If you cannot get back, peel your onions, dry it, get the back, only the back, as many as you can. Then the cloves, as many as you can. Remember, the quantity of the cloves are all those items will determine how much, like the quantity of the powder you are going to prepare. So you need cloves, you need onion, you need one bunch of alligator pepper, the one that they have not opened at all. Now the last item you are needing here, I just want to make a quick video, but I don't have it on ground, which is bay leaf. Yes, so that is the fourth item. That means you need cloves, you need alligator pepper, you need back of onion, then you need the bay leaf. The bay leaf has precise number. The bay leaf must be 41. Yes, you need 41 bay leaf. 41 bay leaf. So this other one, the number does not matter. The quantity of the onion bag does not matter. The quantity of the cloves does not matter. Let me show you guys. This is cloves. Okay, so the alligator pepper must be one bunch of alligator pepper. I see this is cloves. Okay, the quantity of the cloves does not matter. The onion, the one that matter is the bay leaf. The bay leaf have to be 41. Then you are going to pile this together. I told you, so there are some items that they are best spiritual day to do some spiritual work. Like this particular one now, the best day to prepare this is Wednesday. Now, if you are going to use it, depending on what you are going to use it for, will determine the day, the best day for it. I'm going to teach you guys that. Now, after you have gotten those items, like the back of onion, the alligator pepper, the cloves, the bay leaf, you are going to add the bay leaf. You powder everything together. Like you use your mortar. Okay, here you have. Just put everything inside the mortar. All those items now, like my cloves, I'll put them inside the mortar. My alligator pepper inside the mortar. The onion peel inside the mortar. Okay, put the onion peel inside the mortar. I must forget this. You are going to need pepper. Okay, you are going to need slim pepper. This item I'm teaching you is very, very powerful. You will come back and thank me for this. This, we call it wish giver. It grants you your wish by special grace of Almighty God. Now, plus the pepper, right? Please, you need this particular pepper, this slim pepper. This is the type of pepper we needed. Okay, so here we have the cloves, we have the onion. Okay, the onion bag precisely. Then we have the alligator pepper. Then we have this pepper. The only item that is not here now is the bay leaf. Then you add 41 bay leaf. So the quantity of pepper you are going to put determine the quantity of your onion, the quantity of your cloves. Okay, that will determine. So after you have added this item here, you are going to powder everything together. You powder everything to powder. After you have powdered everything to powder, now you have powdered everything to powder. Then anytime you want to use it for like sources, maybe you need business sources, or maybe you needed the help, you needed the divine breakthrough, or you needed money for something other, you need huge amount of money for a project. All you have to do is that you fetch the powder, the one you have powdered. You fetch it. After fetching the powder, the one you have powdered, then you will hold it like this. You'll be naked the way you came to this world. You are not going to wear any clothes. You hold it. After you hold it on your palm, then you are going to still get this pepper again. You look for the one that has not been broken, that is still complete like this. 7 of it. Then you attach it to the powder. Then you are going to make fire. After you have made fire, The fire you made, okay, you are going to hold it like this. That's the substance you have prepared. Then you are going to put several slim pepper like this. Then you call your name. You say, I want money to start a business. I want money to flow to me freely, easily, and effortlessly. You can make up to 3 wishes at the same time. Please don't make more than 3 wishes, else it will not work again. So you make your prayers. After making your prayers, okay, you make your prayers. After making the prayers on the substance, you call your name. After making the prayer, like, I want a divine breakthrough. I want my destiny helper to locate me. I want this week, this month, these days, I want to attract huge amount of money. I want to win my lottery. I want to win huge money from lottery this period. I want to win 10 million naira from lottery. So you make that wish. After you have done making that wish, you pour the substance on the fire. As it is burning, you place your hands on it. Let it burn. So once the smoke has stopped coming out, you are going to make charcoal fire. Okay, any fire you can lay your hands on. When the smoke is still coming out, then you can wear your clothes back. Remember, you'll be 100% naked. That's if you are doing this for success. But if you are doing this for love, like you want general love, you want everybody to love you, you want your workplace, let people now love you, see you as an important person, you want to be famous, there's anything that has to do with love, like favor, love. Let me say love precisely. Favor, you can do it Wednesday. Then you are doing this on Friday. Yes, you are doing this on Friday. Once it is Friday, you fetch from that software you have made, put it on your hand, call your name. After calling your name, after calling your name, after calling your name, then you make your wish. I want everybody to love me, general love. I want the right woman to locate me. If you are a man, I want the right woman to locate me. That is, if you understand, the right man or the right woman to locate me. I want people to love doing business with me. When you are done making that prayers on it, then you put it on the fire. Remember, your wishes cannot be more than 3. You can make 3 wishes, like, I want to receive huge amount of money this week. I want everybody to love me. I want to win huge money from lottery this month. You can make 3 different wishes, but once it is more than 3, it will not work again. And remember, when you are making use of this, you use I want. You don't explain how I wish. You don't I wish to have a car. I want. So you make the prayers in form of a command. I want. You put it on the fire. Then, if you are using this for a revenge, like a court case, a court case, you want something to happen, like maybe a thief come to your shop, you want to lay cost on that person, you can also use it. So you do this either Saturday or Mondays. But if you are using it for court case, you do it either Tuesday, Saturday, or Sundays with the same process. You pray. After you have put the substance on your hand, you put the 7 sleep pepper, complete one. You call your name. I, James, I want this court case I have with so person. I want all the judge to favor me. I want to win the case. I want this case to end as soon as possible. So you make those 3 wishes you want. You can make 1 wish, it must not be 3 wishes, but you let your wish, the maximum is 3. So the minimum you can make 1, but maximum wish is 3 at a time. So you make that wish. When you are done making the wish, then you pour the substance inside the fire. Then you allow it to burn. You can place your hand on it while it burns. Remember, when you are doing this, you will be 100% naked. I repeat, you must be 100% naked when you are doing it. This is tested and trusted. Try this and get back to me. You know that I give you more than every other channel will give you. I did find this video helpful. Please don't just watch alone. If you like this video, will make me to create more content of this kind of video for you. So you like this video, you are happy to promote the channel. Okay, who the Zuzu, where there is God, everything is possible. So bye for now. Okay, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.